Hi guys, this is my Android hit unit and you're looking at this app called Speedometer. Let's click on install. Let's take a look at the screenshots. It's pretty simple. Yeah, it's just one big speedometer. Basically the same, yeah. Let's take a look at the real one. Waiting for the GPS signal. Of course, you need to make sure that your Android hit unit comes with GPS, yeah. Mine is here, yeah. It's an antenna, GPS antenna. So I presume the red bar is gone, meaning it's already connected. So there are some settings that you can do here. Meter settings, you can reset the max. Oops. Reset the max speed. Okay, I think it's pretty simple. Just click and you reset, and reset average speed, trip meter, and speedometer resolution. I have no idea what does that mean. Meaning that it can goes up to 240. Mine can go up to 240. Okay. And what else? Speedometer unit, km per hour, miles per hour, knots. Mine is km per hour. And next would be screen, keeping screen active, or you can disable it. And screen orientation, it will be done automatically, or you can choose it in different mode, yeah, portrait or landscape. And then there's just language, English, Swedish, German, Spanish for only. So that's all the settings you get, and this is what you get. Yeah, it's a very simple screen and you cannot do anything to it. So I'll just move around my car and see whether this works or not. Yeah, so right now I'm moving. I'm in the basement parking. I think it's not really getting the signal. I think that's the downside of using the GPS. Let me just get out from this place and see again. Right now I'm outside and let's see whether I'm getting the speeds up. When I actually accelerate, does it move? I'm going up to 30 now. Still 20 there. It's a bit of delay. I'm speeding up from 20, 30, 40, and slightly delayed. But it's better than nothing, right? So I'm slowing down now. I think there's a delay of half a second. Yeah, but it still works. Okay, one more round. So I'm going to 30, 40, and 50 now. The delay is more than 1 second actually. Okay, doesn't matter. So right, I'm now back at my parking lot and at the basement, so there's no signal. So basically here it's just saying that this is max speed, this is average speed, odometer is this, trip meter is this. So nothing much to change. Yeah, you can reset it or you can change it to miles per hour or not, depending on how you want to see it. Yeah, depending on your locations. So simple and easy to use. If you like this, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed yet, please help me do so. Bye.